Doctor, why is my stomach making noise most time? Very good question, and it's still dey funny. Now, my stomach too dey make noise. That noise na normal thing. Normal. We dey call am boborygmy or boborygmus. Meaning say, as your stomach, your intestine, dey try break down food, e dey make noise. Now, wetin you go fit do to help yourself make you try limit the noise, Dey try drink water, and no dey eat too much, no dey overfeed yourself anyhow, and eat slowly. Maybe e go help you, but e no mean say you get problem with your stomach or na worm dey cause am. That is why you dey hear noise. Calm down, you're fine. You understand? E clear abi e no clear? Remember, good life na sense. Click on the follow button for more.